Hello dear students. Today we study about chemicals from common salt. Common salt, which is an important raw material for various materials we use in our daily life, such as sodium hydroxide, baking soda, washing soda, bleaching powder, and many more. So let us study how one substance is used for making all these different substances. In that first one, sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, which is called brine, it is decomposed to form sodium hydroxide. The process is called chlor-alkali process because of the product formed chlor for chlorine, alkali for sodium hydroxide. When common salt is added to water, it decomposes to form sodium hydroxide and chlorine and hydrogen gas. Here, chlorine is collected at the anode and hydrogen gas at cathode. Sodium hydroxide is formed near the cathode. The three products produced in this process are useful, as shown in this picture. For example, hydrogen is used as fuel, chlorine is used in water treatment, and sodium hydroxide is used for soap and detergent factories. So, you please note down uses of other products from their chlor-alkali process shown in this image or from textbook. Okay. Now we go for second chemical which we get from common salt, that is bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by the action of chlorine gas on slaked lime, which is calcium hydroxide. The chlorine gas is produced during the electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride called brine. This chlorine gas is used for the manufacture of the bleaching powder. The chemical formula for bleaching powder is calcium oxychloride, means CaOCl2. The production of bleaching powder is quite complex process than the actual one. Now, uses of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is used for bleaching cotton and linen in the textile industry, and for bleaching in wood pulp in paper factories, and for bleaching and washed clothes in a laundry. It is also used an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries and in water treatment, make it drinking water free from germs. One more important chemical we get from common salt, that is baking soda. We commonly use in kitchen for making tasty, crispy pakoras, which we can call as bhaji. Sometimes it is added for faster cooking in hotels and food factories. The chemical name of the compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is NaHCO3. It is produced using sodium chloride as an one-off raw material. Let's check in the reaction here. Here we combine common salt, water, carbon dioxide and ammonia. It forms two products, which is ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate. The sodium hydrogen carbonate is used to neutralize an acid because it is a mild non-corrosive base. While cooking, if we use baking soda, the supplied heat decomposes sodium hydrogen carbonate into sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide gas, which carbon dioxide gas is used as sodium hydrogen carbonate as baking soda. Uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate. 1. For making baking powder, just add a mild edible acid such as tartaric acid, citric acid, etc. Heat the mixture or mixed in the water. The following reaction occurs. When sodium hydrogen carbonate added with a mild acid, it gives carbon dioxide, water and salt of that sodium. Carbon dioxide, which is produced during the reaction, causes bread or cake to rise, making them soft and spongy. Second one, sodium hydrogen carbonate is also used as antacid, being alkaline. It neutralizes excess acid in the stomach and provides relief. Third use, it is also used in the soda acid fire extinguishers. Washing soda. Another one chemical that can be obtained from sodium chloride is washing soda. Its chemical formula is sodium carbonate along with 10 molecules of water, that is Na2CO3.10H2O. You have seen above that sodium carbonate can be obtained by heating baking soda, means recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda, which is also a basic salt. Sodium carbonate and sodium hydrogen carbonate are useful chemicals for many industrial processes. So, let's see uses of washing soda. Sodium carbonate. Washing soda is used in glass, soap and paper industries. Second, it is used in the manufacture of sodium compounds such as borax. Third, washing soda can be used as cleaning agent for domestic purposes. Fourth, it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. So, let us go for the last part of the activity of chapter 2 is, are the crystals of salt are really dry? Activity. Heat a few crystals of copper sulfate in a dry boiling test tube. Observe the color of the copper sulfate after heating and water droplets collect in the boiling tube. You may think from where these water drops are appeared. It is because copper sulfate crystals, which seem to be dry but contains water of crystallization. When we heat the crystals of copper sulfate, the water is removed and the salt turns white. If you add the crystals again with the water, you will find that blue color of the crystals reappears. Water of crystallization is the fixed number of water molecules present in one formula unit of a salt. For example, 5 water molecules are present in the formula of unit of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4.5H2O. So, chemical formula of hydrated copper sulfate is CuSO4.5H2O. Now, you would be able to answer the question, what does 10H2O signify? Does it make washing soda wet? The 10H2O in washing soda is also water of crystallization and it is not wet. One more best example for water of crystallization is gypsum. It has 2 water molecules of crystallization. The chemical formula is copper sulfate .2H2O. If you heat gypsum at 373 Kelvin, it loses water molecules and becomes calcium sulfate hemihydrate, which is CaSO4 half water. The substance produced, which is called plaster of Paris, which is white powder. If we added water to the plaster of Paris, again it changes to gypsum, once again giving a hard solid mass. Uses of plaster of Paris. First one, the substance which doctors used as plaster for supporting fractured bones in the right position. Second one, plaster of Paris is used for making toys and decorative materials. Plaster of Paris is also used for making smooth surface, which we can call it wall putty. Try to find answers for these 2 questions. If not, ask me in a comment section. The questions are: 1. How can you get half a water molecule? Question number 2. Try to find out why is calcium sulfate hemihydrate is called plaster of Paris. Here we successfully completed chapter number 2, acids, bases and salts. Keep watching for next topic. Therefore, thank you. Jai Hind.